All right, so what I'm working on now is increasing the size of these fittings that go into the water jacket and potentially doubling them, putting another one on the back. So I went ahead and ordered another one of these. I would assume this is called the head, and possibly like the upper cylinder or something. And here it is right here. And so this is the original fitting, which is the metric equivalent of a 1/8, whatever that is. But it's pretty small, and that used to go in there. So I drilled it out and then tapped it for a 1/4 inch. So you can see that the opening is substantially larger on the 1/4 inch than the metric equivalent of an 1/8. So that then goes in there. And then this bottom part, once this is all open, there's another hole that where the water goes in here, and it goes actually at an angle, and it goes up inside. And I have that over here on the drill press. So here it is right here. So this is the water jacket. I already drilled that out. And instead of the water coming straight up, it actually comes in at an angle. It goes like that. And so I've got this set up to drill this out. The original size is 13/64 or whatever the metric equivalent is to that. So I've got it all lined up with the 13/64. So like I'm right on the money. So I'm going to change out that drill bit and then go to the larger size, which I believe is 17/64. I'll double check that before I drill it, but I think that's the internal diameter of that 1/4 inch fitting. Whatever that internal diameter is what I'll drill this out to, because that's going to be the smallest diameter in the system, which will be the most restrictive point. So that's where I'm at. All right, so moving forward on this thing, I was able to successfully drill this angled hole in the head for the additional water jacket that I'm drilling. So this is the back side. This hole right here, I believe is 7/16 that I drilled this out. So this used to be the hole that the thermostat went into. So I drilled that out to the same depth as the existing water jacket hole on the other side, and then drilled a new hole right here for the thermostat. And so you can see that that angled hole goes in there. And it makes it all the way and connects that water jacket. So I was able to do that with this angled device right here I got from Harbor Freight, and the setup block set, and a feeler gauge. Did some calculations to get it set up and positioned correctly, and was able to get that drilled.